In this video, we will talk about the top 5 life hacks that you do not know. Number 1. Take a tissue roll and cut it. Now see. Number 2. Mix toothpaste, acrylic paint and nail polish. Now see what happened. Number 3. Open the blade of the sharpener and screw it into a wooden clip. Now see how the wire cuts. Number 4. Add 1 tablespoon soda in water. Now dip gloves in it and see how it cleans. Number 5. Add soda and vinegar in the bottle. Now see. Balon flies. Thanks for watching.